Cheers. Cheers.
You had a good week?
Yeah, definitely.
It was interesting. It's something I really like.
We wanted to use the information from the Titanic disaster.
It's a strange way to sell tickets, but yeah.
This documentary was produced by Dataiku.
It kind of gave me a bit faith back in humanity, that we're not all working towards making people click more ads, but we're actually doing stuff that is useful for them.
Nice to be here and to speak and show other people what we do, and not only the bookkeepers and entrepreneurs who are busy with Exact, but also other people who are data interested, so it was really nice.
And this is GoDataFest Out.
Bovenop de berg, ja daar staat een kleine dwerg met een rood kaboutermutsje op zijn kop. Hij is daar zeker niet alleen, kijk naar de berg.